Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make videos like Zack the Stranger full guide. Start by writing a one-line hook and outline your core sections, then gather gear for clear audio and steady visuals. Break content into short chapters, rehearse energy and timing, and record multiple takes for safety. Edit with brisk jump cuts, add motion for emphasis, use consistent color grading, and export with strong thumbnails and titles to grow viewers. Warm up your voice and prep a concise shot list before you press record, then focus on clear audio as your top priority. Use 16:9 framing and thoughtful headroom so overlays and captions do not obscure faces. Shoot multiple takes at varied angles and distances to create rhythm during editing. Keep clips short, maintain energy, and capture B-roll that supports your points to make the final cut feel polished and fast-paced. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tips and tricks. On another note, a quick recommendation. A Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener keeps your car smelling great and keeps you focused between drives to shoots. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Import footage and assemble a straight timeline that mirrors your script, then trim ruthlessly for momentum and clarity. Add jump cuts to remove pauses, use motion templates for lower thirds, and layer subtle sound effects to accent keywords. Create a compact intro, keep the middle informative and the end decisive, and craft thumbnails that promise value. Export with clean metadata and test playback on mobile before uploading for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.